Good morning everyone. My name is Yajnesha. I am studying in 5th C class. Today I am going to tell you day and date. Today's day is Friday and today's date is 19th June 2026. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Vanadavinas Kumbar. I am studying in 5th C class. Today I am going to tell you today's affirmation. Today's affirmation is based on gratitude and pride. Please repeat with me. I am proud of what I achieved in this week. I am grateful for my school and my friends. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Yajnesha. I am studying in 5th C class. I am going to tell you thought of the day. Today, reader, tomorrow reader. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. I am Krishani Rajkala from grade 5th.
This is Samruddhi Harish Khandelwal from grade 5th.
I am Mahini Mankar from grade 5th.
I am Shreyanam Korvi from grade 5th.
Today we are going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today's importance of the day is National Reading Day. National Reading Day celebrates to promote literacy and the joy of book. It honors P.N. Panicker, known as the father of library and literacy movement in Kerala.
Why does it matter? Reason for introducing National Reading Day is introduced to promote National Reading Day. National Reading Day is introduced to promote literacy to encourage a lifelong habit of reading. The day marks the death anniversary of Mr. P.N. Panicker, father of library and literacy movement in Kerala.
Focus of the day. It focus to promote literacy, cultivate a habit of reading. Message to community from Shraddha Olympiad School. Celebrate this day by organizing community books, swap, local reading circle, the book donation, drive encouragement leader. Learning for the student. It helps students to understand diverse cultures and lived experiences.
Incesses student enhances students' problem solving ability and out of box thinking.
Reading prepares students to learn about any topic independently. Improve your grammar, writing skill, and overall verbal expression. Closing thought. The book is gift you can open again and again. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Thank you.